this. Ooh. This right here is not mine. Right here I got the iPhone 12 Pro. Alright, what's up guys? iGus. It's been like 2 years since I did an unboxing, but Apple launched like some dope iPhones this year. iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and Chels got the iPhone 12 Pro, which came out today, August 23, Friday. Dodgers are winning 5-1. And I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys because I haven't been this excited about a phone in like, I don't know, this just kind of gives me like nostalgia to like middle school days when iPhone 4, iPhone 5, you know, that square shape, like, you know what I mean, like the iPhone 4 had like a square, it's not like round like the from 7, 8, you know, all those. But yeah, let's get this out of its box. Here's iPhone 12 Pro in the color graphite. Hope I said that right. Chels, I'm sorry that you're not opening it, but thank you for letting me do an unboxing on your phone. I know you probably wanted to open it, but thank you. Damn, this is so freaking nice. Look how thin the freaking box is. That's dope. Alright, let's get to its unboxing. Aside from the iPhone 12, I also picked up the MagSafe wireless charger. You know, it actually like clips onto the phone because it has like a MagSafe feature where you can clip on to the back of the phone and you're able to charge it, you know, while having your phone on your hands instead of, you know, before you just lay it on the, you know, you just lay it flat on the charging mat, and then when you take it off it stops charging, then you put it back and then it charges again. Yeah. You also had to buy a USB-C power adapter because this iPhone, you know, the packaging, it didn't include one of these. It only came with the actual USB-C charging cable. The phone is not USB-C, it still uses the same charger as the last few years, but other than that, 20 watts is pretty fast charging compared to the iPhone 11, 10, and all those. Damn, look at this. Ooh. Look at that. Damn, look at this. Damn, look at this. Ooh, wow, look at that. Wow, Shelly, I'm jealous. Damn, that's so beautiful. Damn, it feels so much like the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 5. Alright, let's turn it on. It just has such a clean screen. Look at that. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Look at this. It's so dope. So you can like, look, it doesn't fall. Damn, so this is iPhone 12 Pro. I'm gonna have an unboxing for the 11 Pro Max, so you know, I'll keep you guys updated on that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and peace. Chels, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do a drop test with your phone, okay? Ready, set. Ah, you thought. Just kidding, it wasn't your phone, it was my phone. Alright, peace.